Okay, good morning children.
Good morning.
Okay, very good morning. So today we all have gathered here for one activity. Okay, so the name of the activity is body parts. Okay, so here you can see the picture. Yes. So here you can see the body parts. Okay, so now here I am having some names of the body parts. Okay, so what you are going to do? You are going to come here and tell me where is this part of the body. Okay, so what is here? H-E-A-D, head. Okay, so now tell me where is the head? Over here?
No.
Then here?
No.
Okay, is it over here?
No.
Then here?
No.
Then here?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, come here. Come. Stubborn. Come. So, this is the head. Okay? So, very good. Okay. So, clap for him. Very good. Very good. Okay, now another body part again I'm having. Okay? So, let's see now. What is this? E-Y-E. Eyes. Okay. So tell me, how many eyes do you have?
2.
Or 4? 2. Okay. So is this eye?
No.
Then this?
No.
Okay. Then this?
No.
No. Okay. So is this eye?
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Come on, Avishka, come here. Okay, remove this sticking and you have to stick the body part, name of the body part over there. Come. Where it is? Here. Okay. Clap for Avishka. Very good. Okay. Now, the next is, what is this? W-A-I-S-T.
Vest.
Vest. Okay. So, now tell me, is this vest?
No.
Then this?
No.
Okay, I think this?
No.
No. Okay. Then this? Is this vest? Yes? Okay, very good. Come on. Vansh, come here. Come. Okay, so stick this part over there. Remove it. Very good. Yes. Clap for Vansh. Very good. Okay. Now another body part. Let's see now which part is this. Everybody's ready?
Yes.
Okay. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Okay. So let me see. Where is the finger? Over here?
No.
Okay, over here.
No.
Then this?
No.
No. So I think so this?
No.
No. Okay, then over here?
Yes.
Very good. Okay, Viraj, come. Come. Okay, stick this part over there. First remove this. Okay, this is the finger. Over here. Okay, careful Viraj. Very good. Okay, now let's see the next part. Okay, everybody's ready?
Yes.
Okay, so the next part is, so children, did you all enjoy this activity?
Yes.
Okay, so what we have learned today?
Body
Body parts. Very good. Okay, so now clap for yourself. marks?
No.
Are you confident?
Yes.
Ayush, come here. Find out where it is. This one? Okay. Yes, very good. Clap everyone. Now which one is the third planet?
Earth.
Yes. Come Jayesh. Find out where is the third planet? Earth. Arrange it. Yes, very good. Clap everyone. Which one is our fourth planet?
Mars.
Oh, Mars came now. Okay. Come Shreyas. Which one is the Mars? Yes. Arrange it. Very good. Clap everyone. Which one is our fifth planet?
Jupiter.
Jupiter. Oh, yes, come. Which one is this? Yes, very good. Arrange. Yes, correct. Very good. Clap everyone. Which one is the sixth planet?
Saturn.
Very good. Now, who is remaining? Yes, come. Yes, very good. Arrange. Correct. Very good. Clap everyone. Which one is seventh planet? Uranus. Which color is that?
Blue.
Why?
Because it is far from the sun.
Very good. Yes. You come. Take and place. Yes, very good. Clap everyone. And which one is the last planet?
Neptune.
Okay. Yes, come. Arrange in our solar system. Yes, very good. Like this. Clap everyone. Thank you. Today we are going to learn about 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? 5 sense organs. Okay. What these organs are? Eyes. We see with our eyes. Okay. Nose. You smell with your nose. Okay. When your mother cooks food for you, you can smell it. Yes. You can hear music. Teacher teaches you in the school. You can hear the music. Okay, with your ears. Okay, and skin. You can touch the things. If you feel hot, if you feel cold, you can sense it through your skin. Okay, you can smell with your nose. You can see with your eyes. You can hear with your ears, and you can eat with your tongue and taste the food. Okay, so where is your ears? Ears, show me your ears. Everyone? Okay, you can hear with your ears. Show me your tongue. Everyone, show me your tongue. Yes, you can taste your food with your tongue. Okay, where is your nose? Nose? Okay, you smell with your nose. Okay, where's your eyes? Blink your eyes. Eyes, very good. You see your TV, mobile, do your homework with your eyes. Okay, and when you touch something, you can feel it is rough, it is soft, it is cold, it is hot. Okay, with your skin. Okay, you can touch everything with your skin and feel it. Okay, so do you understand? We have 5 sense organs and we use all these organs every day.
What is this sound? S-T-E-M. What is this? Stem. Do you know what is this stem? It is the parts of plant. Right. Do you know where it will come? You have to tell me now where it will come. Okay. It is going to be here. Stem. Then where it will be? Here. Now then where it will be? It's a stem. Where can I put it? Here. Yes. Very good. Come here, Arush. Okay. Do you know where to stick it? Yes. Okay. Stick it. Stick it like this. It's a double click. Okay. Remove this. Stick it. Very good. Clap for him. Okay. Now we are going to take next part. Okay. Now tell me what is this? Flower.
Flower.
Very good. Now tell me where it will come. Here.
No.
Then where it will come? Here.
Down.
Down side here.
No.
Then
Up.
here.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Come, Sachi. Okay, very good. Clap for her. Okay, now we are going to take another one. Now tell me what is this? R-double-O-T.
Root.
Very good. Where we are going to stick this?
Down.
Very good. Now come, who will come? Gaurav. Come. Very good. Clap for them. Now tell me what is this? Okay, fruit. F-R-U-I-T.
Fruit.
Very good. Now tell me where should I put it? Or where should I stick it? Here?
No.
Then here?
No.
Then
Here. Yes.
very good. Who will come now? Okay, Sia. Come, Sia. Side. Very good. Clap for her. Now next one. What is this? L-E-A-F?
Leaf.
Very good. Now where it will come?
Then green side.
Green side. This is also green side.
No.
Then this is also green side.
No.
Then where?
Left side.
Here.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. Now who is going to come? Okay. Bifra, come. Very good. Clap for. Now the last one. Okay. Only the last is remaining, right?
Yes.
All the parts of plant completed?
Yes.
Yes or not? Yes. Then tell me what is this? B-U-D?
Bird.
Do you know what the bird comes from? How it comes? How? What the bird after growing it gives?
Flower.
Okay, very good. Then who is going to come first? Okay. Where is the bird? First tell me where is the bird?
Ma'am. The flower side.
Upside here.
Down. Yes.
Here.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now who is going to come? Okay, Manasvi. Come.